At number 1, we have Plan 623552DJ, a modern 5-bedroom barndominium with a split layout and 4-car garage. This impressive design maximizes space and functionality for large families. The split-bedroom layout provides privacy with the master suite separated from the other 4 bedrooms. The 4-car garage is perfect for vehicle enthusiasts or those needing extra storage and workshop space. Inside, the open-concept living area features high ceilings and abundant natural light. The modern exterior showcases clean lines with board and batten siding. This plan offers the perfect blend of contemporary style and practical family living to 18 number 2, we have Plan 135389GRA, a barndominium house plan with an integrated workshop and wraparound porch. This design is ideal for hobbyists, craftsmen, or anyone running a home business. The integrated workshop connects seamlessly to the main living space while maintaining separation for noise and function. The wraparound porch extends your living space outdoors, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Inside, the floor plan flows efficiently from room to room. Large windows throughout keep the interior bright and welcoming. The combination of work and living space under one roof maximizes both convenience and property value to 18 number 3, we have Plan 56553SM, a 3-bedroom farmhouse plan with a vaulted great room spanning 1,677 square feet. This compact yet spacious design proves you don't need massive square footage to have an impressive home. The vaulted great room creates dramatic vertical space and architectural interest. 3 bedrooms provide comfortable sleeping quarters for a small family or guests. The efficient layout eliminates wasted hallway space. Large windows and the open floor plan make the home feel much larger than its actual footprint. This is perfect for first-time builders or those downsizing without sacrificing style. 18 number 4 we have Plan 135188GRA. A 1-story country craftsman house plan with a vaulted great room and 2-car garage totaling 20-30 square feet. This design combines the best of craftsman details with barndominium efficiency. The vaulted great room serves as the heart of the home with soaring ceilings and exposed beams. The single-story layout eliminates stairs, making it perfect for aging in place or families with young children. At just over 2,000 square feet, this size hits the sweet spot for comfortable living without excessive maintenance. The country craftsman styling adds timeless curb appeal. With covered porches and quality materials, number 5, we have a 1-story barndominium house plan with a massive wraparound porch spanning 2,113 square feet. The wraparound porch is the star of this design, providing hundreds of square feet of covered outdoor living space. Perfect for entertaining, morning coffee, or enjoying nature from the comfort of shade. The single-story layout keeps everything on one convenient level. Inside, the open-concept floor plan maximizes the usable space. Large windows throughout connect the interior to the beautiful porch views. This design works beautifully for those who value outdoor living as much as indoor comfort. Number 6, we have Plan 700505S&D, a modern 5-bedroom barndominium house plan with a wraparound porch. This design offers generous space for large or growing families. 5 bedrooms mean everyone gets their own private retreat. The modern exterior features clean lines, metal roofing, and contemporary color schemes. The wraparound porch adds southern charm while providing shade and outdoor entertainment space. Inside, the open floor plan allows families to stay connected while the multiple bedrooms offer privacy when needed. Number 7, we have Plan 623203DJ, a modern-style barndominium house plan under 2,000 square feet. This proves that staying under 2,000 square feet doesn't mean sacrificing style or functionality. The modern design features large windows, clean lines, and efficient use of every square inch. The compact footprint means lower construction costs and reduced utility bills long-term. Despite the smaller size, smart design creates the feeling of spaciousness throughout. This is ideal for couples, small families, or anyone wanting to build affordably without compromising on modern design. Number 8, we have Plan 13518-4GRA, a Barndo-style house plan with a massive 4-car garage and 2 lofts totaling an impressive 4,601 square feet. This is the ultimate plan for car enthusiasts, collectors, or those needing serious storage and workshop space. The 4-car garage accommodates multiple vehicles, toys, or equipment with room to spare. 2 lofts above the garage provide bonus space for storage, home office, gym, or guest quarters. The main living area offers generous space for entertaining and daily life. This plan maximizes property value by combining extensive garage space with comfortable living quarters, all under one roof. Number 9, we have Plan 623187DJ, a 1,700 square foot modern barndominium-style house plan. This size offers the perfect balance between affordability and comfort. At 1,700 square feet, you get enough space for comfortable living without excess that drives up costs. The modern styling features large windows, open floor plan, and contemporary finishes throughout. This square footage typically accommodates 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms comfortably. The efficient layout eliminates wasted space in hallways and oversized rooms. Perfect for first-time home builders or those looking to downsize while maintaining modern style. Number 10, we have Plan 1352236GRA, an 896 square foot 2-bedroom barndominium-style house plan. This is the most compact plan in our collection, proving that small can still be stylish and functional. At under 900 square feet, construction costs are minimized while efficiency is maximized. 2 bedrooms provide sleeping space, while the open living area prevents the home from feeling cramped. This size is perfect for vacation properties, starter homes, empty nesters, or anyone embracing minimalist living. The barndominium styling keeps construction costs reasonable while delivering modern aesthetic appeal. Small square footage also means low maintenance and minimal utility costs. Number 11, we have Plan 1352215GRA, a 3-bedroom barndominium-style house plan under 1,900 square feet with an extra-deep 2-car garage. The extra-deep garage is the standout feature, providing space for full-size trucks, additional storage, or workshop area beyond standard depth. 3 bedrooms offer comfortable sleeping quarters for a family. Staying under 1,900 square feet keeps the home affordable to build and maintain. Number 12, we have Plan 420172WNT, a 2-bedroom barndominium with an oversized 3-car garage and workshop spanning just 980 square feet of living space. This unique plan prioritizes garage and workshop space over living area. The oversized 3-car garage plus workshop provides massive space for vehicles, hobbies, business, or storage. The compact 980 square foot living area includes 2 bedrooms and essential living spaces. This is perfect for car enthusiasts, craftsmen, or anyone running a home business who needs more workspace than living space. The efficient living quarters keep costs down while the garage maximizes functionality. 18 Number 13, we have Plan 623152DJ. A 2-story barndominium with a drive-through garage totaling 1690 square feet. The 2-story design maximizes square footage on a smaller building footprint, perfect for smaller lots. The drive-through garage is incredibly practical, allowing you to pull through rather than backing out. This feature is ideal for RVs, boats, trailers, or simply convenient daily use. The vertical design separates living and sleeping areas naturally with bedrooms upstairs. Despite being 2 stories, the 1690 square feet keeps the home reasonably sized and affordable. This layout offers a unique alternative to typical single-story barndominium designs that Number 14, we have Plan 62322DJ, a new American garage apartment plan with barndominium styling. This versatile design works as a guest house, rental property, in-law suite, or primary residence. The garage apartment configuration combines parking below with living space above, maximizing property use. Barndominium styling keeps construction costs reasonable while delivering attractive curb appeal. This plan is perfect for multi-generational living, generating rental income, or housing guests with privacy. The compact but complete living quarters include everything needed for comfortable independent living. At number 15, we have Plan 600003PDZ, a 1-story modern farmhouse with a flex space spanning 30-50 square feet. This is the largest plan in our collection, offering generous space for luxury living. The modern farmhouse style blends contemporary clean lines with warm farmhouse charm. At over 3,000 square feet, there's room for large families, home offices, and dedicated hobby spaces. The flex space adds versatility, adapting to your changing needs as a home office, gym, playroom, or additional bedroom. The single-story layout keeps everything accessible on one level despite the generous square footage. This plan delivers both space and style for those wanting a true luxury barndominium. These 15 barndominium plans showcase the incredible versatility of this building style. From compact 896 square feet to spacious 4,600 square feet, there's a plan here for every need and budget. Whether you prioritize garage space, outdoor living, modern style, or traditional farmhouse charm, barndominium construction delivers it all at a fraction of traditional home building costs. Which of these 15 plans is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more barndominium floor plans and design ideas. Check out my other videos for cost breakdowns and building tips. Thanks for watching and happy building.